Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 4 Series, that generation from year 2013 to year 2020 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where the glow plugs fuses are located. Two fuses that you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them, where you can buy cheap fuses, relays, parts, tools, that way do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience guys. We'll demonstrate here on a 4 Series. We have 3 Series in the garage, but they're built on the same platform, so it will be exactly the same. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to find fuses, relays for that BMW 4 Series generation from 2013 to 2019, we'll make video for every single fuse relay. Why? Because let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuel injector or fuel pump fuse is located. You have multiple hidden fuses, you can find it, replace it, get back on the road guys, fix that problem, because otherwise, okay, you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines, bodywork guys. All that will be on our channels. Check it out. Let me show you where you can find more about it. Right here we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses for your BMW or any car at a really good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste your money, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. So let's start on it now. So now on that 4 Series guys, let's explain which fuses specifically we need to check for the glow plugs. We'll demonstrate on that model right here, 2014 4 Series guys. You have up to 6 different fuse boxes, 3 of them are visible, 3 are hidden. We'll need to work in one of them, that's under the hood. It's actually easy to access. We're talking about the fuse box right in front of the windshield. Open that cover, remove that cover, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here now guys, for the glow plugs, which fuses we need to check. This is towards your windshield side, okay, this is the front of the BMW, driver's side, passenger side. Here guys, we'll be working in that row of fuses. Even if you have a missing fuse, you're going to count that spot. We'll start with fuse number 18, 19, 20, 21. Fuse number 21 is the first one. Then you go 22, 23, 23, 21 and 23 are the fuses that you need to check for the glow plugs. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.